Once upon a time, in the magical land of Hogwarts, there was a secret club known as Dumbledore's Army. This club was special because its members were all gifted students who loved learning magical spells. One day, a new student named Harry joined the club. He was shy and didn't know many spells. But Dumbledore, the wise headmaster, saw Harry's potential and welcomed him with open arms. Harry was thrilled to be a part of Dumbledore's army. He spent his days learning new spells and making friends. One of his closest friends was Hermione, a brilliant student with a vast knowledge of magic. One evening, during their regular training session, Hermione handed Harry a magical quill. "This is the Dream Quill," she said. "It can help you learn spells faster." Harry was excited. He took the quill and started writing. As he wrote, he felt a strange warmth in his hand. Suddenly, he understood every spell he ever wanted to learn. He was amazed. The next day, Harry showed off his new skills to the rest of Dumbledore's army. They were impressed. Even Dumbledore himself was pleased. "You've done well, Harry," he said. "You've truly found your magic." From that day forward, Harry became one of the best spellcasters in Dumbledore's army. He was no longer shy or uncertain. He was confident and ready to face any challenge. And he knew it was all thanks to the magical quill. Every night, as he went to sleep, he would think about the magical quill. He was grateful for the magic it brought into his life. And he knew he would always cherish it. The end.